Welcome, and in front of me is a VIVO Y35, and today I will show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, swipe down once more, and you will see a bunch of toggles, and one of those toggles should be a screen recorder. Now, it looks like it's on the second page, at least that's where it is for me. As you can see, we're right over here. So once you find your toggle, you can tap on it to start recording it, or hold it, which will take you to the settings. Now in here it looks like we have a very limited amount of settings, so probably the most important one will be the image quality, which is set to high. We also have a choice of low, but probably wouldn't recommend selecting that. And we also have options for recording sound and display tray. Display touch trajectory. I'm assuming this is just referring to like showing the touch input on the screen, which is enabled, so I guess I will find out once I start recording. So just press right here. As you can see, it's now recording. And yeah, it's basically a little dot that signifies where our finger is pressing the display. Now obviously you can open up any kind of app from here. And once you're done recording, interact with this overlay, select the red square, and this will automatically save the screen recording to our gallery application. So I'm going to quickly open that up. You can see it should be in all photos, which you can see right over here, but you should also see it in screen recordings. There we go. I'm going to open it up just so you can see it. So there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.